सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ।
ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरुतु सिद्धबुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावकतु। ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायण तु ब्रह्ममस्ततु यहोवा शाक्तितु एसुबिता प्रभुतु रुद्र विष्णुतु रामकृष्णतु रहीमतावोतु। ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायणतु वासुदेवतु विश्वरूपतु चिदानंद हरितु अद्वितीयतु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिवतु। ॐ तत्सत् श्रीनारायणतु।
भारत मेरा देश है, सभी भारतीय मेरे भाई बहन हैं। मुझे अपने देश से प्रेम है, उसकी संपन्न और विविध परंपरा पर गर्व है। उसके योग्य होने के लिए मेरा प्रयत्न जारी रहेगा। माता पिता गुरु तथा अग्रज मेरे आदरणीय होंगे और उनसे मेरा व्यवहार सम्मानपूर्ण होगा। मेरा प्रतिज्ञा है कि अपने देश और जनता के प्रति मेरा श्रद्धा अटल रहेगा। उनकी उन्नति और समृद्धि पर ही मेरा सुख निर्भर है।
हरिः ॐ। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता अथ द्वितीयोऽध्यायः सांख्ययोगः। संजय उवाच तं तथा कृपयाविष्टम् अश्रुपूर्णाकुलेक्षणम् विषीदन्तमिदं वाक्यम् उवाच मधुसूदन। श्रीभगवान् उवाच कुतस्त्वाकश्मलमिदम् विषमे समुपस्थितम् अनार्यजुष्टमस्वर्ग्यम् अकीर्तिकरमर्जुन। क्लैब्यं मास्मगमः पार्थ नैतत्त्वय्युपपद्यते। क्षुद्रं हृदय दौर्बल्यम् त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप। अर्जुन उवाच कथं भीष्ममहं संख्ये द्रोणं च मधुसूदन। इषुभिः प्रतियोत्स्यामि पूजार्हा वरिसूदन। गुरून् हत्वा हि महानुभावान् श्रेयो भोक्तुं भैक्षमपीह लोके। हत्वार्थकामांस्तु गुरूनिहैव भुञ्जीय भोगान् रुधिरप्रदिग्धान्। हरि
Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, today I am going to speak a few words on the thought, if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. This means that if life isn't giving us proper opportunities that we desire, we need to make our own opportunities. Sometimes it's all about creating opportunities that we want instead of just waiting for it to come. We need to make opportunities that may lead us to our goals. For example, if you think that you're talented enough to become an artist, you need to audition for a company that may recruit you and make you an artist. These steps are considered building a door. More literally, opportunities cannot knock if there's no door. So from today, let's start building our doors so that enormous opportunities come and knock at our doors. Thank you. Hope you have delightful moments today.
Hari Om. Respected principal, teachers, non-teaching staff and my dear children. A very warm good morning to all of you. This is the first day of this academic year, the very new beginning. Well begun is half done. Let's begin this day with the words of wisdom by Pujaniya Swamiji Chinmayananda Saraswati. His words go like this: leave aside your regrets of the past, anxieties of the future, and focus intelligently on the present. This is the best way to ensure a positive future. It is the nature of human beings to get depressed thinking about the past. But what is the use of doing that? Past is all over. And another thing we always do is to be over conscious, to be over anxious, or to be over worried about the future. Future is yet to come. What we have now with us is our present. That is why Swamiji says to focus intelligently on the present, which will in turn make our future bright and very much positive. How can we focus on the present intelligently? By learning from the mistakes, by making use of all the available resources in and around us, by making tentative plans, by effective time management, and after all, trying to be positive. You should always train your mind to absorb positive from the negative situations. Never let a bad situation to bring out the negatives in you. Even this corona lockdown period has taught us so many new things. Let me wind up with a thought by Swami Vivekananda. Don't look back, always look forward. With infinite energy, infinite enthusiasm, infinite daring, infinite patience, then alone can great deeds be accomplished. I wish you all a great year ahead. Thank you. Hari Om.
Hari Om, a good morning one and all. Today's quote: there is nothing at any time, in any circumstances, to worry over why this is to me. By Chinmayananda Swamiji. Meaning of this quote is, in any situation, anything happened in your life, you need to face it. In any obstacles it comes in your life, it is a kind of a challenge that is you need to face in our life. Thank you.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam, Malaya Shitalam, Sasya Shamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajosnam Pulakitayaminim, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobinim, Suhasinim, Sumadhura Bhashinim, सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
जन्मदिनमिदम् अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं जन्मदिनमिदम् अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं प्रार्थयामहे भवशतायुषीश्वरः सदा त्वं च रक्षतु जन्मदिनमिदम् अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदं पुण्यकर्मणा कीर्तिमार्जया जीवनं तव भवतु सार्थकं जन्मदिनमिदम् अयि प्रिय सखे शन्तनोतु ते सर्वदा मुदम्.
A very hearty welcome to dear students, teachers and parents. Today is the first day of the academic year 2020-21. We begin every academic year with wonderful activities. All of us know that the whole world is at war against the spread of coronavirus. As we have to go for social distancing, we are not in the real classrooms today. But learning has no break. The learning is a continuous process. Be a lifelong learner. We always believe in Pujya Gurudev's word, learning is fun. Learning has no beginning and it has no end. Your friends, teachers and parents are eagerly waiting to see your academic performances and your achievements. Enjoy the activities and enjoy the learning. There are teachers at your home. Your parents are your teachers. Listen to their words, respect them and love them. Your class teachers are with you to help you. This assembly is a tradition and an innovation. Traditions are based on our values. Values of community, values of humanity, values of inclusiveness, integrity, commitment, of lifelong learning, of responsibility, creativity. So our traditions are based on values. Our reputations are new innovations. The platform which we are using now is an innovation. We have no idea how long this lockdown will continue, how long these difficulties will continue. We hope to meet you soon. Good luck to you all. God bless you. Be safe and take care.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे